Hello wise investors! Sa video na ito, gagawa po tayo ng stock review for RFM Corporation, isa sa biggest food and beverage companies sa Pilipinas. So kung nagbabala kang mag-invest sa RFM, sana makatulong sa iyo itong video na ito. So unting background lang about the company. RFM Corporation was incorporated on August 16, 1957. RFM Corporation is one of the biggest food and beverage companies in the Philippines. They are involved in the manufacturing, processing, and selling of wheat, flour and flour products, pasta, milk, juices, margarine, and other food and beverage products. The company offers strong consumer brands known for quality and value in the Philippine market. So ang mga brands ng RFM Corporation ay ang Selecta Ice Cream, Sunkist Juice, White King, Selecta Fortified Milk, The Royal Heritage, and White King Fiesta. So ang chairman po ng RFM Corporation ay si Mr. Jose Maria Joey Concepcion III. Siya rin po ay kasalukuyang director ng Concepcion Industrial at founder ng Go Negosyo, isang non-profit organization na tumutulong sa micro, small, and medium enterprises sa ating bansa. At noong 2018, siya po ay nakareceive ng Padma Shri Award, the highest civilian honors given by India. So with that, we can say na merong great leadership ang RFM. So if we check their financials, makikita natin na tumaas yung kanilang revenue from 2020 to 2024. While for their net income, bumagsak ito noong 2022 pero nakarecover din naman for the following years. So for 5-year average growth, meron silang 8.53% for the revenue while 3.43% for their net income. And same for their equity, tumaas ito from 2020 to 2024 na merong 5-year average growth na 4.15%. And for cash flow statement, nagtala sila ng around 2.25 billion pesos na net cash from operating activities. Pero hindi ito enough to cover their investing and financing activities. That's why nabawasan ng maliit or 63 million pesos yung kanilang net cash. Pero by the end of 2024, meron pa rin silang 2.45 billion pesos na cash and cash equivalents. So with that, we can say na meron silang healthy cash flow. Para malaman natin kung kaya bang ma-meet ng RFM yung kanilang short-term obligation, kunin natin yung kanilang current ratio. Para makuha yon, kailangan lang nating i-divide yung current assets sa current liabilities. So yung current ratio ng RFM ay 1.27. Para sa akin, yung good current ratio is between 1.2 to 2. So meaning, meron silang attractive na current ratio. At para naman sa debt to equity ratio ng RFM, para makuha yon, kailangan lang nating i-divide yung total debt sa total equity. So yung debt to equity ratio ng RFM ay 0.0588 or 0.06. Based sa ating criteria, nasa low risk ito. So by that, we can say na meron silang attractive na debt to equity ratio at yung pondo na ginagamit nila sa kanilang operations ay hindi galing sa utang. At kung titignan natin yung kanilang balance sheet, nasa 875 million lang yung kanilang utang or bank loan, while yung kanilang equity ay nasa 14.87 billion. And remember, meron silang around 2.45 billion pesos na cash and cash equivalent, so kayang-kayang bayaran ng RFM yung kanilang bank loan kung gugustuhin nila. So yung current EPS or earnings per share ng RFM ay 0.46, while yung kanilang PE ratio ay 9.24. So meaning, we are paying 9.24 pesos to earn 1 peso. And for me, that is attractive. For intrinsic value, ang ating computed intrinsic value for RFM Corporation ay 6.11 pesos. Using the margin of safety na 30%, ang ating buy below price ay 4.28 pesos. And for moat, they have strong brand moat since yung kanilang mga products or brands ay market leaders or kilala sa Philippine market. Ang ilan sa mga ito ay ang Selecta Ice Cream, Selecta Cornetto, Selecta Magnum, Selecta Fortified Milk, at Fiesta and Royal Spaghetti. And for dividends, yung total dividends ng RFM based sa kanilang latest trailing 12 months ay 0.356141. Sa current price na 4.26 pesos, bibigyan niya tayo ng 8.36% dividend yield. So hanggang dito na lamang guys ang ating review. Sana nakatulong sa inyo itong video na ito. Kung nakatulong man, please don't forget to like this video at kung bago ka sa ating channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button para updated ka sa mga future videos na i-upload natin. Maraming salamat po.